RCAT, stock analysis, price predictions for Monday. Is RCAT holding stock a buy? I'll be breaking this down in this very short and brief 1-minute video. How things are currently looking like for me with RCAT is that this is a not so much of a, it's not giving me the rules for the buy that I was looking for and I wanted, which is fair. It's fair enough. I'll just get rid of the sauce here and the whole idea. Beforehand, yes, I had this bullish buy and it delivered nicely, but here, unless I see the confirmation actually being met, then there's just no way that I will look to buy. Like, let's be freaking honest. I don't doubt that we're going to be clearing the liquidity, but it's only that situation, and if there's a double break, that I would actually look to buy. That's that. So all I'm doing in the meantime, just waiting for rules. I mean, trading is freaking boring because you have to be patient a ton, and just for a lot of ticker symbols, let's just figure out what to do in the meantime. You know what I mean? So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, and just click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.